Let's quickly take a look of the small sizes. And 30. 22. This is size 22. Good for 2 to 3 years old. Okay, this is fully lined. This is for $30. Okay, it's fully embroidered, all thread work, very nicely done. It has a zipper at the back, so your baby can wear it easily and can take it off easily. All right, so this is the shirt, and this is the trouser. It is embossed, and it's like a bubble pants. You can see this. Okay, let me give you the measurements. The length is 21 inches. The width is 12 inches. The pant length is 20 inches. I just remember that these were called humdum pants, something like that. Let's talk about this one. This one is size 22 again. It's on the net as well, fully lined. Sorry, this is the lining. Let's see the pants. These are the tulip pants, and it has the sleeves with it. If you want to attach the sleeves, it comes with the sleeves. Let's talk about the length and the width. So the length is 20 inches and the chest is 13 inches. The pants are 23 inches lengthwise. Next one is this one. It's on the glitter net, beautifully embroidered. You can see this is size 22 again. Zipper at the back, fully lined, so it won't bother your child. Here you can see it's overlocked. It comes with the sleeves. These are the net sleeves, and these are the pants. These are kite pants or trouser. I'm going to show you the shape. Here you go. These are called kite trouser, kite pants. The length of the trouser is 24 inches. The length is 21 inches. The chest is 12 and a half inches. Now talk about the soft cotton 3-piece suit. So this is the first one. You can see the fine embroidery here. It comes with the trouser, straight trouser. These are the edges of the trouser. This is the dupatta. The length of, okay, I'm not sure what's the size. It doesn't mention here, so let's measure it. It's a round cut kurti. So the length is 23 inches. The chest is 14 inches. And these 3 piece with the soft cotton, these are for $25, okay? So again, printed soft cotton with the wool embroidery on it. Okay, here, this is the, let me show you the trouser and the dupatta. So this is the trouser with the border, and this is the dupatta. So the length is 24.5 inches. The chest is 13 inches. Again, soft cotton. This is the daman. These are the side chalk and side embroidery. Border has been stitched. This is the trouser. This is the dupatta. And I believe this one is a size 28. Let me measure it for you. The length is 25 inches. The chest is 14 inches. Let's see this one. It has a Banarsi print on it. It's all thread embroidery with a oblique. Here you can see nothing can bother your girl. That's the back. This is the front. It comes with this dupatta, and this is the trouser of this dress. Okay. The length is 24.5 inches. The chest is 14 inches for this one. All right, guys, this one, it's very heavily embroidered. This suit is for $30, and I think this is a size 30. Very soft material. This is the back. That's the front. Let me show you. This is all embroidery, okay? If you can see at the back here. But it won't bother your daughter. Don't worry about that. Let's see the shalwar of this one. It comes with these pants. If you want, you can attach the sleeves. This is 2-piece. So the length is 30 inches. The chest is 15 inches. For more inquiries, please contact Kirat or Mona. The numbers are appearing on the screen, and you can go to our page styleoblender on Facebook to see our other products. You can follow us on Instagram as well, but we are more active on Facebook page. Anyways, that's it for this video. So you guys take care, and we'll see you hopefully. Bye.